Genetically modified pig kidney was transplanted into a 54-year-old woman in New Jersey that was suffering from kidney failure. It was the world's first successful xenothymo kidney transplant, and the company that did it is trying to manufacture hearts, livers, kidneys, and lungs with cross-species transplantation to save the hundreds of thousands of Americans waiting for organ transplants. The CEO, who used to be a man and had no experience with medicine, started the company to save her 7-year-old daughter's life that was suffering from a rare condition. After successfully saving the daughter, the company continued to expand its products to other rare diseases and now organ manufacturing. The company specializes in pulmonary arterial hypertension, which is high blood pressure in the arteries of the lungs. So Martine Rothblatt was America's highest paid female CEO in 2013, digitally cloned her wife's brain into a robot. She was also the co-founder of the satellite radio Sirius XM. Although they're currently in serious lawsuits with competitors over patents for their main products, United Therapeutics has been profitable with double to triple earnings growth over the last 4 years. The stock is up 162% over the last 5 years, twice as much as the S&P 500, and popped over 9% this week after beating Wall Street's estimates for their Q1 2024 earnings. The price per earnings ratio is very low at $12, even though the company brought in $1 billion last year at a 42% profit margin. The stock has been very volatile but also very flat over the last year, but has an interesting growth story. Do you think it will continue?